Hi little kids, how are you? I am back with a new video. Today I will learn your ABCD. Here I draw ABCD with glitters color. So let's start the video. Here I am using blue and then I will use here dust glitters. So this is A for apple and A for ant. Here I am using dry glitters, red dry glitters. It will make A so beautiful. So kids, again say with me, A for apple and A for ant. Wow, the A is looking so beautiful. Now it's time to decorate B. I'm using blue and here I am using green glitters. So kids say B for ball and B for balloon. Now we can see the B is looking so beautiful. Let's decorate the C. C for cat and C for cap. So kids, again say with me, C for cat and C for cap. Here I am using blue color glitters. Wow, the C is looking so gorgeous. Now it's time for D. Here I am using blue glitters, the pink blue glitters. D for doll and D for drum. Wow, the D is looking so beautiful. So kids, say with me again. D for doll and D for drum. Let's decorate the E. Here I am using golden color glue glitters. E for elephant and E for egg. So kids say E for elephant and E for egg. Let's decorate the F. Here I am using light blue color glue glitters. So F for fish and F for frog. So kids, again say with me, F for fish and F for frog. So kids, how the F is looking? F is looking so beautiful. Let's decorate the Z. Here I am using black color glue glitters. Z for grapes and G for goat. So kids, again say with me, Z for grapes and Z for goat. Wow, the G is looking so beautiful. It's time to decorate H. Here I am using silver color glue glitters. So A is for horse and A is for hat. So kids, again say with me, A is for horse and A is for hat. Now decorate I. Here I will use dust glitter. So I am using glue here. I for ice cream and I for igloo. So kids, again say with me, I for ice cream and I for igloo. Here I am using purple color dust glitters. Wow, the eye is looking so gorgeous. Let's decorate the J. Here I'm using red color glue glitters. J for jacket and J for jam. So kids, again say with me, J for jacket and J for jam. The J is looking so beautiful. Let's decorate the K. K for kite and K for king. Here I am using green color glue glitters. So kids, again say with me, K for kite and K for king. Let's see, the K is looking so gorgeous. Let's decorate the L. L for lion and L for lollipop. Here I am using light pink color glue glitters. It will look so gorgeous. So kids, again say with me, L for lion and L for lollipop. Let's decorate the M. Here I am using yellow color glue glitters. M for monkey and M for mango. So kids, again say with me, M for monkey and M for mango. Wow, the M is looking so cute. Let's decorate N. N for nuts and N for nest. Here I will use dust glitters. Here I am using golden color dust glitters. So kids, again say with me, N for nuts and N for nest. See, the N is looking so gorgeous. So it's time for O. O for octopus and O for owl. Here I am using purple colored dry glitters. So kids, again say with me, O for octopus and O for owl. O is looking so cute. All the letters become dry. Now kids, again revise with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for egg, F for frog, Z for grapes, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jacket, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, and O for octopus. So kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with the next part 2 video. So till then, bye bye little kids.